Hello my beautiful people, this is Lisa my dear, and I am back with another video. This one will be an unpackaging. Unpackaging. So, got another cell phone case for the phone. And here is the other case for the phone. Now let me try them onto my iPhone 13. This is an iPhone 13. You see that? Turn it around. Yep. And then I'm going to try this case on it. Which I really like this one because of the blue and the gold. Or the silver, I mean. I think it looks very pretty. But let's see if I can get this case on. Yes, it's on. Alrighty. So this is the other phone case that's on the phone. You see that? I think it's very pretty. Yeah, but looks like this is going to be the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And if it's not too much to ask, share the video. Share the video. Alright, guys. Well, this was an unpackaging of 2 cell phone cases for my phone. I already got a screen protector put on. The man at the store put it on for me before I left out of the store. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by.